Hi everyone. So in the last lecture we saw how to create different Anaconda environments. Now in this lecture we will see how to install specific packages in the environments that we created. So this can be done again by using both the Anaconda prompt and Anaconda GUI. So first I will show you how to install packages using Anaconda GUI. So first we will go on Anaconda. Then we can see that this is on the base environment. So we will select the environment we want to install the package on. So we will click on env3. This is the environment that we created in the last lecture. Now as soon as we click on this, it will show a list on the right hand side of all the packages that are installed in this environment. So these are the list of packages that are installed in this environment. As we can see, installed, because in this drop down it is written installed. So for example, if we want to install a package that is not installed yet, so what we will do is we will go on not installed, then we will search for the package. For example, we want to install pandas, so we will search pandas, then we will, this is the package that we need, so then we will click on this. We can see also the version that is being installed. This is 1.2.4. then we will click on apply. This will install all the packages that are needed in order to install pandas as well, that are called dependencies. So as you can see, to install pandas we need all of these dependent packages as well. So this will show you a list of all the dependent packages that you need to install to have pandas as a package. So we will click apply. Now we can see that pandas has gone from not installed. We can again check and install, and it is there. Now to check if it has been successfully installed or not, we will go on home. Now we can see that env3 is activated. We'll click Jupyter Notebook. We have created a Python notebook earlier, so we will open that and we will import that package that we installed. And we will run this. So it has been successfully installed. To check the version of pandas, we can do et.version, and it is showing 1.2.4. So this is how to install any package from the GUI interface. Now we could have done the same thing using the Anaconda prompt. So I will close this. And I will search Anaconda prompt. And as we can see, we are on the base environment, so we have to activate the env3. So what we will write activate env3. So it has been activated. Now if we want to install a package from command prompt, we have to write a specific command for that package. So for example, if we want to install a package called matplotlib, so what we can do is we can go on Google and we can write conda install matplotlib and click on search. Now the specific line to download a package from command prompt in Anaconda is given on anaconda.org. So we will go here and we can see that the line has been given. So we will select the first line that we want. We will copy this It is saying that to install package with Conda, run one of the following. So we can select any one. And I have pasted it here and I press enter and it is installing the package. Here also all the dependent packages that need to be installed with matplotlib will be shown now. So to install matplotlib, all of these packages are needed. So that is what it is asking. The following packages will be suppressed by higher priority channel, and some packages will be modified or updated. So we will click Y and we will click plus. So as we can see that the installation has been done. Now I will launch Jupyter Notebook from the command prompt itself. And I will go to this untitled and then I will import matplotlib. As you can see, it has been successfully imported. Now there is one thing that you need to know while writing the command. We could have also written the command using pip install and the name of the package, whatever package you need to install. The only difference between pip install and conda install is that pip install is only for packages that are written in Python, whereas conda install is for packages that may or may not be written in Python. So I'll show you an example using pip install as well. So for example, if we want to install a package called Seaborn, so we will search pip install Seaborn. We could have done using conda also, but we can also install packages using pip. So you can see it is written here, pip install Seaborn. Copy this line, paste it here, and I am installing this in the base environment for now. So as we can see that it has already been installed in this. So we should select some other package that has not been installed. Okay, I will install this in env3. And now I will do pip install Seaborn. So you can see that Seaborn has started installing. We could have done this using conda install as well. And I will search this. And you can see using this also. So any package can be installed using pip install or conda install, but pip is only for packages that are written in Python. So I hope you guys like this video and learned something out of it. And in the next lecture, we will see how to start with machine learning. Thank you.